Welcome to Locksmiths. For a cost-effective, trusted and reliable locksmith company, then look no further than Locksmiths.ie. We have offices in Dublin, Galway, Limerick, Cork, Carlow and Kilkenny. Locksmiths available 24 hours, 365 days of the year, commercial and domestic. Lockouts, lock repairs and lock fitting. Safe opening, sales, repairs and installation. Access control, digital keypads, push button locks, magnetic locks, intercoms. All our locksmiths are security vetted, carry ID badges and drive identifiable vans. A receipt will be issued after every job and that's your guarantee. We know that you'll be happy with Locksmiths.ie, so call now 1800 51 51 51.